Hello guys, welcome back. In this video guys, I'll be showing you how you'll be able to participate in this particular airdrop. If you are coming across to the channel, you have not subscribed to my channel, this is your first time, please do well to subscribe and turn on notification icon so that anytime I drop update you get notification. So all you need to do now is to click on the link below in the description of this video. It's going to bring you to my Telegram. I post this link on my Telegram. If you have not joined my Telegram, you are missing out. So do well to subscribe my Telegram as well. Now this is the airdrop we are going to be participating in Fufi ST. What you need to do here is just go ahead, copy this link. When you copy this particular link, we are going to take it to our browser. I'm going to be using Mrs. browser to do the airdrop. So here on my Mrs. browser, I'll be able to participate. Now when you open the browser, this is where to paste the link. When you paste the link, load the site. The site is going to load like this. Sometimes network can delay you, but you need to give it a little time to load. So this is the person that I'm using his link. So what you are going to do is to claim the card. You are going to be using your X to claim the card. So make sure you have signed in your S here. Click on it. It will now start connecting. Okay, now my S is loading immediately. You will give it a little bit time to complete loading. Now you're going to go ahead and authorize this. So you will be authorizing it. I just authorize now. So when it's finally done, it's going to return you back to the site. We will be able to gain points. Okay guys, you see my account just created now. I have no point yet. So this airdrop is basically for referrals. You're going to copy your referral link here, and you'll be able to invite your friends. You can go ahead and check out other information. So you need to refer more people to earn more points. This is where your point will be recorded for. So you're going to be able to invite more friends. As I just sign up, you can see I receive 50 points down here. So the more people use your link, the more you get more points. So you can share the link on your Twitter as well. You can follow other accounts that is available and start inviting your friends. So I'm allowing this to load completely so I can be able to follow. It's now opening. Okay, I'm going to tweet this. Tweeting this will help get more people joining me. Now you can see my points recorded here. You can see where to copy your own link. What's next? Follow this person and stay tuned. So when you follow this guy here, you will be getting quick information concerning this project. So if you really want to make money online, you need to stay active and participate in the project for you to be able to earn money online. So now I'm allowing it to load completely, so I'll be able to follow that guy. It's now loading. Okay, I will just follow the guy. You see this guy here. This is the official page. Just follow them for more updates. Now you can come back. If there is any other information, staying connected with the X, you will be able to get all the information. So you can share the video, you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, remember to invite your friends so that you can start getting your own point. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.